Okay, so if you're getting started with email marketing, then a little insider tip for you. I'd really recommend you look at Flowdesk. It's a really, really great bit of up-and-coming software. It's quite new. It's being developed all the time. It's easy to work with. It's intuitive. But the reason that I'm recommending it if you're just getting started is that they do a 1-month trial. So you can just try it out for a whole month, completely free of charge. And it's an amazing way to get stuck into email marketing and start to benefit from email marketing, get people into an email list, nurture them without actually spending any money. So I've put a link in the description. It's Flowdesk. It's a really good bit of software that I've been using now for about 8 or 9 months. I used to use other stuff, but I've switched to this for new clients just purely because you can set everything up and it's fully functional for a whole month. So I've got a link below. If you want to get started, click the link, create an account, have a look around. If you need any help, drop me a comment. I'll be happy just to kind of give you a little bit of guidance on how to set things up. But what, basic kind of advice, what you want to look to do is set up a basic automation campaign. So have people coming into a specific segment. They're called segments in Flowdesk. And then just set up at least 3 emails, maybe if you can, 5 or 8 emails in a basic flow or an automation sequence, so that everybody who comes in gets, I would aim for, probably 8 emails. And then just try to sort of use the forms in Flowdesk, put those on your website as a kind of form on a page or a pop-up. Get as many people coming into Flowdesk as you can into that flow, and then also once you've got even just 10, 20 contacts, start sending at least a weekly email, and obviously try to optimize and improve open rate, click-through rate of the email. So those are the basics really. Just use it for a month free of charge, get some people coming in, set up your flow, send a few email campaigns just to see if you can get people replying, clicking through back to your website. I recommend it. It's a really good bit of software. It's getting better and better as well. They seem to develop it and add new features and updates, every couple of months at least. So it's only going to get better. I hope that's helpful. Obviously subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and just let me know if you need any more help, advice and guidance on either email marketing generally or specifically using Flowdesk.